Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2024 Ford Explorer Timberline. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks. And over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, and a power liftgate. At the interior we have door storage cup holder and power windows, mirrors, and locks. And as we move closer into the cabin, you will see it's called Deep Cypress Activist seats with adjustments at the side. Over at our steering column, our auto headlamp settings. We have the tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. We also have a twin roof. As we look ahead, you will see we have Bluetooth connection, phone, driver assistance, FORDPASS Connect, Wi-Fi, 911 assist, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, voice control, navigation, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM. And below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy, and a heated steering wheel, dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. At the rear as well, door storage cup holder and power windows. There's also rear heated seats. Our third row seating that is currently folded down. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2024 Ford Explorer Timberline, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.